Hi everyone, today we're thinking all about these. That's right, it's an egg. Do you know what's inside this egg? Well, nothing alive. This is an egg that I'm going to eat for my tea. It's just got yolk and albumin in it. There's no animals. But sometimes these have got baby chickens in them. It's a chicken egg. But there are lots of different sorts of egg. Did you know all kinds of birds and reptiles come from eggs? Let's have a look and see what else comes from an egg. A swan, a tortoise, a penguin, an alligator, a crab, flies hatch from eggs, ladybirds hatch from eggs, and so do caterpillars. And we all know what caterpillars turn into, don't we? That's right, butterflies. Even enormous dinosaurs millions of years ago started life as an egg. I've got some more eggs here. I don't think there's any animals inside these eggs, but there are some different things. We're going to play a guessing game today. Can you see what's on my plate? I've got some keys, some dice, some pasta, a metal puzzle, and some beads and buttons. Inside my eggs, I've got the same things. We're going to use our listening skills and try to guess what might be inside all of the eggs. What colour shall I try first? My favourite, purple. I wonder what's going to be in here. Are you ready to listen? It's tricky. I don't think it's made of metal, so it's probably not keys, and it's probably not puzzle. Should we have a look and see? Dice! There were dice inside the purple egg. Let's have another go. What about the yellow one? Oh, it says chink, 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 chink. I think this one might be made of metal. I wonder if it's the keys or the puzzle. Which one do you think it is? It's a puzzle. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. What colour shall we choose next? Green, I think. Are you ready to listen? Oh, it sounds like there's lots of things inside this one. I wonder if it's pasta, rice or buttons. Are you ready to have a look? Oh, it's the beads and buttons. Only 3 more left. I think I'm going to choose an orange one next. Let's have a listen. That one sounds really different. I wonder what it could be. Oh! It's rice. 2 more left. I wonder which things could be left. Have we seen any keys yet? No. Have we seen any pasta yet? No. I wonder what's inside the pink egg. Is it keys or pasta? What do you think? Pasta in the pink egg. Only one left. I bet you know what this one is. Which one have we not seen yet? That's right. A bunch of keys. Perhaps you could find 2 yogurt pots, put some things inside, tape them together, have a shake. Can you find anything sounds the same as my eggs. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.